recently received a great question about a topic I've never made content on before, so I thought, hey, this is a perfect opportunity to make a dedicated video on it, and it's about beard wash. Specifically, how long should I leave beard wash in my beard for? And I thought, man, that is such a simple but fantastic question that I've never really heard anybody talk about. We talk about beard wash in so many ways. How frequently should you use it? What about gentle versus stripping? Are there bad ingredients? What method should, there's so many different things, right? But I've never talked about leaving it in your beard for any amount of time. And I'm gonna answer the question right away for you guys, and I'll go back later after introducing myself and go over details. The answer for how long this should sit in your beard is 1 to 2 minutes. Now that's the baseline. I'm not saying that this is gold. I'm not saying you gotta follow these rules, but start there and see what you think, right? And I'll get into all the details, but I do wanna introduce myself. My name is Dan C. Bearded. I wanna say thank you for checking out this video, and as a result, checking out this channel. If you've already found that answer valuable, or you're excited to hear more information, please hit a thumbs up, aka the like button on this YouTube video. And if you like learning about beards, you like positive vibes, consider subscribing to the channel. All of those things are free and they really help out what I'm doing here. Shout out to those returning subscribers. So let's talk about it. 1 to 2 minutes. Anything less, you're probably not doing the cleaning of your beard justice. Anything more, now we might start to get into some detrimental aspects of that level of cleaning, right? It's gonna get in there and clarify. It's gonna cleanse. It's gonna do all these like buzzwords that we talk about, and we need those. Those are good. But just like anything in life, too much of a good thing can be bad. So what I do is I get this in my hand, I kind of warm it up, activate it a little bit, get a little bit of the suds going, and then I work it through my beard. That time counts, by the way. Once that product is in your beard and you're going through with your fingers, or you're going with a shampoo scrubber or a comb, all of that time counts. So what I do is I put it on my beard, I work it underneath, I get into the pores, I use a scrubber, I really get in there, and then from there, I just let it sit for 30 seconds, maybe to a minute. And throughout that time, I will run my fingers through my beard, and as you get used to listening to your beard, you'll find out, okay, I'm getting a little bit too much on this one, or my beard still feels heavy. My beard still feels like there's layers on it or there's buildup there. It's really hard to kind of explain, but as you start to get experience, you're like, oh, I actually know what Dan is talking about. I can feel the level of cleaning that's going on right now. I did a video previously about double washing, and that's the concept of you wash your beard, you rinse it out, and you feel like it just wasn't enough, so you go back in. That's okay. You don't want to do it on a regular basis, but when it comes up, you just know, and it's all right to do it. That's kind of the deal with this. 1 to 2 minutes, but get a feel for your beard and it'll kind of work itself out. And if I had to summarize and someone says, Dan, how long do I leave it in for? Not that long. As compared to something like conditioner, we're gonna wanna leave that in for 4, 5, 6 minutes for it to really do its job. So a short amount of time for the wash, rinse it out thoroughly, you're good to go. And as always, I do recommend everybody washes their beard on a daily basis. Now, again, not a golden rule. This isn't something you all have to follow, but it's a good baseline to start with. It's a good logic behind it, and then kind of figure out what is the best for you, your beard, and your situation. So, let me know down below, you guys, 2 main things here. Any questions? Is there something you would like me to explain further or clarify, or maybe something I didn't cover? And then the second thing is, what is your thought on this? What is your experience? What is your tip or trick that you have to offer for a new viewer out there or an experienced viewer? We can all learn from each other. Thank you guys so much for helping out on this video, and keep the questions coming. If you guys are wondering something, that's how I come up with these videos. So thank you. Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.